Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have interim co-CEO James Martin of Nasdaq-listed Cocrystal Pharma, ticker COCP, which is leveraging its proprietary technologies in antiviral therapeutics to combat COVID-19 and other global health crises. It's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Great. Thank you, Jill.
All right, you got it, James. Tell us about your proprietary drug discovery platform.
Sure. So we have developed a unique structure-based drug discovery platform that incorporates Nobel Prize-winning technology and provides our ability to discover novel, potent, and broad-spectrum antiviral drug candidates at reduced development costs and timelines. As an overview of how our platform is used in discovering drug candidates, we first developed a large quantity of X-ray crystals of the virus's replication enzymes using our proprietary methods. We then determined the atomic structure of the drug target with the use of very powerful high-resolution X-rays. Using this information, we select specific drug binding sites to improve potency of our antiviral inhibitors by blocking the viral replication process. Traditional antiviral drug discovery and development can be long, costly, and risky with high rates of attrition. We have optimized and significantly improved our proprietary structure-based drug discovery platform technology to reduce these costs and to increase efficiency.
How can this type of technology be applied to fighting coronavirus and influenza?
Very good question. So we focus on disrupting the essential viral enzymes that include the RNA polymerase or the protease, which are required for viral replication. To put it simply, when we stop the viral replication, we stop the virus. Cocrystal has a proven track record of using our platform on multiple virus drug targets to produce drug candidates with broad spectrum activity, high barriers to drug resistance, and high potency. Our drug candidates are designed as both a therapeutic to cure the infected and also as a prophylactic to protect those coming in contact with infected individuals.
What's the latest with the pipeline?
So we continue to achieve significant milestones with our pipeline by expanding and advancing our drug programs. We just recently, last week, received clearance to initiate a phase 1 study with our oral compound for a potential treatment of pandemic and seasonal influenza A. This antiviral candidate has exhibited both broad spectrum activity against influenza A pandemic and seasonal strains, as well as against known resistant strains that are currently out there. We are also advancing and expanding our COVID-19 programs. In preparation for clinical trials, we have plans to hold a pre-IND meeting with the FDA on our COVID-19 protease inhibitor for intranasal pulmonary delivery this year, followed by another pre-IND meeting in the next few months of early 2022, with our novel oral inhibitor that we discovered using our platform technology. We intend to promptly initiate IND enabling studies with both these drug candidates as we prepare for clinical trials. Also, as part of our pipeline, earlier this year, we met obligations on our worldwide collaboration and licensing agreement with Merck for discovery and development of antiviral drug candidates for influenza A and B. Merck is now responsible for further development, including all clinical and regulatory costs. Under this joint agreement we have with Merck, Cocrystal has the potential to receive up to $156 million in milestone payments plus future royalties.
So, James, when we put all this together, what makes Cocrystal an exciting investment opportunity right now?
Well, I tell you, we're working towards curing viral diseases, which are arguably some of the most oldest and serious problems facing humanity. Viral diseases repeatedly strike every person in the world, causing suffering, debilitation, economic loss, and death. COVID-19 is a prime example. We are seeing a lot of COVID-19 drugs come to market that were originally developed for other indications. These repurposed drugs are a good start, but likely not the final solution. By applying our powerful proprietary drug discovery technology, we look to develop first-in-class and best-in-class broad-spectrum antivirals. We are advancing our high-value drug candidates with clinically validated mechanisms of action. These candidates are being developed to have broad spectrum and potent antiviral activities to be effectively cure viral diseases and are designed to be effective against emerging variants in existing drug resistant viruses. And then finally, we have a strong financial resource to support our programs and are striving every day to advance our antiviral drug candidates as expeditiously as possible towards approval and eventual commercialization.
All right, James, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks, Jill. Bye-bye.